The price of gold reached all-time record highs today, with some experts saying it's been one of the busiest days the industry has ever had. News on 6's Grant Stevens has a look at everything that is driving this spike. Grant?
Shannon, with inflation on the rise, a war in Ukraine, and what feels like constant shifts in global economics, people are turning to gold for stability.
Today is a huge day because we broke an all-time record on the highest price of gold ever. Ever in history.
Owner of Tulsa Gold and Gems, Spencer Fisher, says today he saw a peak of $2,078 per ounce of gold.
That means that people are pulling out of their stocks and turning that into gold and silver.
Obviously, events over in there in Ukraine and Russia are having a lot to do with this. A lot of migration to safe haven investments in general.
The CEO of Oklahoma City-based precious metal trader Apmex Inc., Ken Lewis, says when the world feels uncertain, investors turn to gold.
It's tried and true. First and foremost, gold's been around forever.
Fisher and Lewis say Ukraine isn't the only factor. Rising inflation has led to a rise in gold.
Gold tends to maintain a steady performance there. So even in, times like this, it's sometimes nice knowing your dollars are not just going away bye-bye due to inflation.
People go to gold because it's proven to be the strongest physical liquid asset you can buy.
It feels stable when the rest of the world doesn't.
Exactly.
Today, Russia announced it's suspending all exports of palladium. It's a huge producer of that precious metal, which is used in cars' catalytic converters. Now, prices have spiked more than $800 per ounce. Grant Stevens, Oklahoma's own News on 6.